I have hope for a future where we are aligned with the wholeness and perfection of our being, where the search for happiness is finally over as more of us are coming home to the happiness that exists within us, where we are more than just our physical body making its way through the world. Our superpower is found in our spiritual self, our inner magic, intuition, that gut feeling. That's your spirit trying to guide you towards who you really are and the life you were meant to lead. Our essential nature is love, peace, and happiness, but the world leads us away from who we are and causes us to feel fear, worry, doubt, frustration, anger, and all the unpleasant feelings we feel day to day. So it's important that we become familiar with the very simple practices and principles that can remove the blocks that are preventing us from feeling the love, peace, and happiness that is always there within us to feel.